guys, so today we are going to Islas.
On our way to Islas Filipino Barbecue and Bar Restaurant. Is that right? Islas Barbecue.
Islas Barbecue Filipino
Restaurant?
Bar and Restaurant.
Oh, okay. And I am taking the girls out tonight.
She's tagging us along and pay for it. Look at the thing.
Oh, that's
St. Joseph Health Center.
I'm parking right here.
Oh, you have to pay for parking.
It's okay. We can pay for parking. Islas right there. See,
That's where we're going.
Islas Filipino Barbecue and Bar. Can we
wanna live
park
in this
here?
apartment.
Oh, yeah, we can park right here. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Cindy. And here are the girls. Dinala ko po sila rito sa saan ba tayo? Queen Street dito sa downtown Toronto kasi we are going to this Filipino restaurant na Islas Filipino Barbecue and Bar. They are one of the Filipino restaurant month here in Toronto na nag-o-offer of $25 fix menu. 3-course meal siya, so $25 each. So now we are gonna be trying this one, tapos next time naman yung iba. So here are the girls. Say hi.
Hey guys!
Kain po kami today.
Maglilibre po siya.
Yes, nilibre ko sila.
Yeah.
So, let's go inside. So, here's the restaurant we're going in. Hi, doggy. Hi, girls. Hi. Calamantini or yung what can you suggest dito sa cocktail?
Okay, so calamansi is like calamansi and gin, which are mashed. So it's more on the sweeter side. The mojito is definitely has, because it's a lot of lime, so you'll have that sourness to it.
Calamantini maybe is better. Have you
I
tried
prefer
it?
calamansi.
Okay, okay.
It's really
I wanna try the calamantini, please. Thank you.
I'll have the Boracay.
You're having Boracay?
Leia, what are you having? The sinigang? The salmon? Ate, ilang cup yung rice? 1 cup lang? Ah, okay. So, 1 order ng rice for her. And can I have what comes with the prefix again? Main, lumpia. If I want the kalbe. So you can have, the one that comes with it is lumpia and empanada or peanut sauce. If you want a different appetizer, it has an extra charge. Oh, okay. No, but does it come with rice? Yes. It comes with it, right? Tapos it comes with dessert, right? So can I have the kalbe, please, with the lumpia as appetizer? Dessert, I want the turo. Yung calamantini po sa akin. That's a Boracay. Which one is mine? Oh, this is calamantini. I ordered calamantini. What's with calamantini? I think calamansi and martini. Cheers. Cheers, guys.
It is
it good?
Boracay.
Boracay.
Boracay something deep.
Makikiinom ako. I don't wanna use your phone.
You can just ask for another straw or use Leia's straw.
I don't like it. Oh, I guess you need to mix it. You didn't mix it yet. You have to mix it, my dear. Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Grabe. Look, 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 look. Boracay. We're in the Boracay.
It tastes like Boracay Beach.
Ay, oo nga, masarap. Mix it, Cheryl.
It's the thing, the liqueur at the bottom.
I like yours better.
Liqueur is at the bottom.
Guys, nag-order lang kami ng dalawang prefix. What did you order? The barbecue at saka yung kalbe. And we ordered salmon, sinigang na salmon. What did you order, Missy? Sisig. And that's it? I think that's all we order, right? And we are just waiting for our food. And that's the kitchen right there. Malapit kami sa kitchen. Kasama, I have my lumpia. Ta-da! And I guess we have to be sharing. Hey girls, want some? Let me try first. I'll try first before Shan. I know she's waiting for this. Oh, isn't it? Oh.
Thank you.
Why can't you put it down? Nikki, go.
Come. Come.
Go up, okay.
It's hot. It looks like hot sauce.
Cheers. Thank you for bringing us. Cheers, guys. Thank you sa mga viewers.
So this is the empanada for Nikki.
No, Shan.
Oh, for Shan. Ay, kay Shan pala to. Shan, you gonna share with me since you you share my spring roll. Ang cute, guys. Oh, look. So we're gonna cut into 4. I cut it into 4 para mag-share po kami. So maunan muna ako bago si Shan. I'm eating Shan's appetizer. Ito yung empanada kasama nung prefix.
I'm vlogging the vlogger. Good?
Mmm.
Can we take it?
Mm-hmm. Can I have some sauce?
Ate,
Mmm.
Oh, so meron ka ng appetizer, but it comes with if you order the bottle of wine.
You want wine? Let's have some wine. We'll take Uber home.
leave the car here.
Leave the car here. Leia will drive home.
Rice is life.
Rice is life. Guys, look at this. Ay! Muntik na mahulog.
Barbecue more in my kanin. May kanin pa? Oh my God.
O kasi fixed price yun.
Dahil siya sisig, may wala na kanin.
No. I don't know, but she ordered one. She ordered one sisig. Ta-da! I think my life. Here you go, dear. That's for got my kalbe right here. And it comes with rice. Ang cute ng rice. Lagay ng rice, no? And Leia is waiting for her salmon. You wanna try this one, Be? Okay, here. Have some. Yes, please. This is for Leia. Leia wants some. Here. What are we still waiting for? The sinigang?
You're gonna have sinigang.
Kain po tayo. Ah! Ha ha ha. Guys, medyo maingay na. Medyo maingay na kasi marami na po silang customer.
Puro na lang rice.
And this one's for Nikki. Barbecue with rice. And this one's for Leia. Salmon, yummy. I want some gulay. We're just waiting for the sisig. Shan sisig. Sarap na sabaw.
But I know names are pretty like hard because I won't lie, like with my business,
Dami na kasing customer. I didn't expect to be busy at Thursday night.
but now I need to, it's nice, but I feel like it's more like a
Papakin natin to, Calvi. So meron po siyang ice, nag-order po kaming ice cream, ube. And we're just waiting for our turon with ice cream again. What is that? Oh my God! Ang cute ng karyoka, oh! Yeah, it comes with ice cream, guys. There's no spoon. We need a spoon.
Nagsasalita pero hindi naka-on.
Ang daming naka-dine in today, guys. It's unexpected. Ate, pahingi po ang dalawang spoon. Kinuha yung spoon namin, oh. So we're just waiting for our dessert. Yung turon with ice cream. Tapos yung ubi ice cream po, kinuha ng dalawang girls nandito. Ayan. Kinakain na nila. Ayan. Tapos na. Ubus na. Did you lock my car? Thank you, ate. Thank you so much.
Natira na lang po sa amin is spoon.
Finish it. I am waiting for the turon and ice cream. Ayun, no? Excited ako sa aking dessert. Ayun, no? My dessert. Ang dessert ko, andun na. Tara!
How do you know it's yours?
That's mine. Akin yun, for sure. I'm waiting for my dessert. Akin tutubig ko pala to. Pumasok lang yung mga girls. That's mine! Yay! Thank you! Akin to! Look at that! Ganda, guys! Yummy!
Excited kumain.
Bakit ba?
Here guys. Cheers.
Cheers! Oh! Ice cream muna!
Talagang ano. Ay, na-melt.
Smelling. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Oh, mainit. Cheers. Woo. Oh my god, this is so good.
This is mango ice cream.
So we are here at Islas Filipino
Barbecue and bar.
Barbecue and Bar. Anong address? Basta Queen Street sa downtown. Queensway? Queensway pala. Ay, sorry, downtown Toronto. We're here at downtown Toronto.
Best part niya. Kasama ko si Cynthia mag-mukbang, lalo ako lulubo.
The best part of the night, guys. Sarap. Yum, 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 yum. Ingay na. Ubus na. Thank you. Ubus na.
Are you in a rush?
I'm done.
She's literally finished hers.
Last bite na ako. Ang tagal pa ni Shell kumain.
Sorry.
Oh my God, it's so good. Sarap. Tapos ka na.
Almost. Last bite. Thank you for the invite. Ay,
Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-dessert. Labas na kami, maingan na rito. I'll see you in a bit. Bayaran na.
Bayaran na.
And we are done and I am Yung mga kasama ko, nandun na po sila sa sasakyan, naghihintay. So, time to go. Uwi na po kami. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Ay, naaantok na po sila at ako rin kasi busog na busog po ako. So, to everyone, shout out to everyone. Thank you so much for watching. To all my viewers, silent viewers. Sa lahat po ng aking team, maraming salamat po.
You got a team?
Yeah, I have a team. My team Solid, my team Cutie Pie Powers, tsaka sa team Filipino Mukbang.
Nice.
Shout out everyone and stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for the